Stop wasting your time like I did. In the beginning of my freelance journey, whenever I used to get a new client, I was setting up the project from scratch every single time. So what was the thing that was wasting my time? I used to create an empty project. Then I would go and create folder structure based on some specific architecture. Then I was copy pasting some important files and utilities from a previously completed project, like network handler utility, some constant files, some string and date manipulation files, all those kind of things. And that was wasting a lot of my time. But then I started to automate each of these repetitive steps. And now within seconds, I can create and set up an entirely new project and start building the app immediately. Let's see how you can also do the same. So this is the GitHub repo that you need. And if you scroll down, you will get the documentation which will explain what all things you can do with this repository and how you can set up a new project using it. It will create a new project structure for you using the clean architecture. You can also contribute to this project and make this template even better for everyone else. Now let's explore this template further. I'll go to pubspec.yaml file. Here you will get some dependencies added by default. For example, this getX state management dependency, HTTP dependencies for handling your network calls, logging and few more. Then we have defined some assets here like your images, icons, fonts and also your environment file. You can also see this assets folder structure here. You have fonts, icons and images. Then the main part of our project, lib directory, where you will write most of your code for your app. So you have this main file here defining your logging level, then some utilities that you may need in your app like app constants, assets, where you will centrally declare all your images and icon constants, colors used in your app, local keys that you might need to use to store some data locally, size and text constants, and then you have some utilities like date manipulation or formatting utilities, centralized log handling utility which you can use throughout your app, shared preferences utility which you can use to store and retrieve data from local device. To make your design responsive, you can use this utility as well, and some string handlers and validation utility. Then you can change your app's theme from here. You also have a network service which you can use to make API calls and then centralized routing for your entire app. Then the next important part here is this scripts folder, and this is the script that I was talking about, which has made my life so smooth whenever I'm creating a new project. You just have to run this file and it will create a new project and set it up as per the things we discussed until now. And then you have this build APK script. Whenever you want to build an APK, you just have to run this script. It will build the APK and keep it inside this folder, and it will also maintain the versions of every build. So let's see how to use this template. I'll quickly download this zip. Let's say in this apps folder, because here I will be creating all my apps. I'll quickly extract this folder and open it in my VS Code. Now let's open the terminal and copy this command to provide execution permission to our script. Then this second command will help you set up your project. Let's quickly provide a name to our project. Now if you want this template to get deleted after setting up your project, you just have to pass a D flag and it will take care of it. Our project is successfully created. Let's quickly open it. You can see our project is created at the same directory where our template was present, and the template is also deleted. Here you will see the project structure is copied as it is, and you can just go here and hit save. And that's how easy it is to set up a new project using the script.